Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Before I will start this video, I would like to thank you for all your comments and suggestions how to fix this shop lighting. Today is raining, so the light is nicely dispersed through the skylights and we shouldn't have any problem making this short video. What we are looking together today, it's absolutely gorgeous 2019 Highlander hybrid. I really like this vehicle. This vehicle belongs to our friends. They in past brought a Toyota truck, and this vehicle 2019 Highlander just finished that free maintenance at the dealer, so they brought it first time for the engine oil change. But also this Highlander fell in that large recent recall by Toyota, which was for that low pressure fuel pumps. There were many different vehicles and models produced by Toyota. These were millions basically. It was pretty serious recall because it was a huge problem with the safety. That fuel pump could have stopped working at any moment, and what was very dangerous, if it stopped working while the person was driving the vehicle, it could create a safety hazard or it could cause the accidents and people could get killed. So it was a serious one, and Toyota obviously did the recall and replacement of these parts for free to the owners. If I remember, beside this Highlander, it was basically anything. It was Avalons, Siennas, Camrys, Corollas, Tacomas, Tundras, and Sequoias. So basically almost anything what Toyota was producing at that time. And I'm just bringing it up because it was a serious problem for the safety, and not everybody who was affected has correctly filled their address, because the Toyota was sending the letter to the owners, but not everybody has correct address, or the vehicle changed ownership and so on. So they may not have reached you, yet you might be part of that recall. It's really a serious problem with a safety, number one. Number two, it's for free. So you definitely wanna have it done, replaced, while that entire campaign is being done and taken care of. All you have to do, if you never had it done and you're questioning if it was your vehicle, all you have to do, basically call the dealership, talk to the service writer. You will give them your VIN number, which you have in your paperwork or it's on the vehicle written, and they will immediately tell you if you are part of the campaign. So I wanted to bring up, it's a serious thing. We discussed it maybe once on my friend's Taco. I believe he had it on 2019 Tacoma. That's the only one I brought it up. So I want to make sure everybody's aware of it and everybody's safe. Thank you for watching this video, and be subscribed. I have a ton of stuff coming your way even this week. See ya.